Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm on the skin and hair team at Sephora.
And we're here to talk to you about the March Play by Sephora box, and the theme is
Beauty and Bloom.
Love it.
So this month, we are helping you refresh after the long winter months, help you jump on into spring and get that dewy, luminous look.
Yeah, maybe some spring cleaning for your skincare routine. I know I need a little refresh.
Yep.
Now, don't forget, in every box, you're gonna get a Play Pass. With that Play Pass is guaranteed for 50 Beauty Insider points in-store or online with the purchase, which is awesome. Now, there's multiple versions of the box out there, so you're not gonna get every product that we talk about in this video. I mean, that would be kind of crazy. Over 20 products.
Be a lot.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I say we jump right into makeup, yeah?
Let's do it. Let's do it. So first up, we have the Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in American Woman.
Love this name.
We have this in a beautiful chestnut rose shade. And it's a matte liquid lip pigment that just glides on.
It's an ultra light formula that sort of dries down on the lips and gives you an ultra long, durable wear.
Yeah, and it's smudge resistant, so you can go to that garden party and eat and drink without it moving around, but it's flexible.
And it looks good on almost any skin tone. I mean, you're wearing it right now, right?
I'm wearing it right now.
So good.
Thanks.
Next up from Sephora Collection, we have Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara in black. Now, I really love this formula because it's really buildable and creamy. And it's got an amazing hourglass brush that grabs every hair. It's infused with jojoba oil, so it's also really nourishing and conditioning to the lashes.
Nice. And you're wearing it right now, and your lashes look so good.
Thanks. Wink, wink.
Ooh.
So next up from Makeup Forever, we have a Sephora exclusive product. This is the Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. Now this is gonna come in one of 6 shades chosen for you based off of your Play profile.
Nice.
Now it's a lightweight, medium buildable coverage that leaves the skin ultra hydrated.
And it has this natural finish, which is beautiful.
It's a great everyday foundation. Love this guy.
So next up, we have the Chloron Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover with Soothing Cornflower.
I'm obsessed with this product.
Yeah, you and David were just talking about this, that it just takes off all that stubborn waterproof makeup super easily.
Yeah, but it doesn't leave like an oily residue behind. It's like really clean and easy to use.
Yeah, it's like not greasy at all, which is great. And then it has Soothing Cornflower in it to just decongest and calm the skin down. And it helps support strong lashes because you're not tugging at them.
Yeah, and it's safe for sensitive eyes and contact wearers.
Yep, which I'm a contact wearer, so I appreciate that.
Next up, we have one of my favorite products, and it's from Nars. This is the bronzing powder in Laguna. This is a universal bronzing shade that has like a kind of a gold pigment that's really great for blurring imperfections in the skin. I've worn this. I am obsessed with it, and it's definitely something that lives in my kit.
Yeah, and it gives you this nice sun-kissed glow. You can also contour with it. It does a little bit of everything.
Love this. So next up, we have a product that everyone could benefit from incorporating into their routine. This is from Urban Decay, and it's the Primer Potion for Eyes. Now, it's really great for kind of locking on pigment and giving you an ultra vibrant finish on your eyeshadow. It's an easy glide.
Oh yeah, it's nice and creamy.
Right, and you feel how it kind of dries down. So it really grabs onto the pigment of the eyeshadow, almost like a double stick tape. So if you have a party that's gonna last all night, this is definitely a good one to grab.
Garden party.
Love it.
All right, so next let's get into some skincare, our fave.
You know I'm obsessed. So from IT Cosmetics, we have the Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. Now this is an ultra lightweight cleanser that's really great for leaving the skin soothed and hydrated. So it's not gonna really strip you down, which is really great. It's almost like a serum and a cleanser in one.
You've got collagen in there to fight signs of aging.
Colloidal oatmeal, which is really great for soothing the skin.
And then you've got hyaluronic acid and a ceramide complex to get that moisturizing benefit in there.
Yeah, really binds hydration. Love this cleanser. Now, it's even going to remove waterproof makeup, so it's safe for sensitive eyes.
Nice. Next up, we have Supergroups Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. And this one I use every single day.
Love this product.
It is my holy grail SPF. It is invisible.
It's like a translucent texture that really blends in easily into the skin. And you don't really feel the product. Super weightless.
Yeah, it's weightless, it's scentless, invisible. So it has that like primery feel to it. I use it as my primer.
Yeah, perfect for the girl on the go. I love it.
It protects against UVA, UVB, and blue light, so rays from your phone and your computer screen.
Oh my God, perfect for this age of technology, for sure. Next up from Shiseido, we have another SPF. This is the Ultimate Sun Protection Lotion Wet Force SPF 50+. Now this is a velvety, weightless, broad spectrum SPF that protects you from UVA and UVB rays. It's also infused with Wet Force technology technology, which makes it even more effective in water and sweat.
So cool.
So next up, we have one of my kit faves from First Aid Beauty. This is the Facial Radiance Pads. Now, this is infused with glycolic and lactic acid, so it's really great for safely exfoliating and removing dead skin cells.
Yep, and it leaves your skin really glowy and smooth, and it's safe for sensitive skin.
Perfect product for makeup prep.
And last but not least, we have Dr. Jart Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30.
This is a really cool product, you guys.
Yeah, I recommend this to anybody who has uneven skin tone, redness. It just color corrects and it neutralizes that redness or any blemishes you may have.
Now, it's infused with a cool ingredient called tiger grass. Tiger grass is really interesting because tigers actually roll around in it to help heal themselves when they're wounded. So it's going to do the same thing to the skin.
Yeah, it protects, it soothes. It's this double duty product that color corrects. It's this green to beige formula that just blends into your skin.
Almost like magic. That's so cool.
Magic in a jar.
Love it.
Yeah.
Now, there's some great hair care in this month's box. First up from Diva Curl, we have the Lopu Delight Mild Lather Cleanser. This is a mild lather cleanser for wavy hair that's going to provide a weightless moisture, body, and frizz control. So it's a really great kind of lightweight lather cleanser.
Yeah, and it's a nice, thorough, gentle cleanse. Next up, we have Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1, and it's this airy dry spray that provides this instant volume, texture, body,
and a refresh all in one. So it's really great to toss in your bag for any time your hair just needs a little zhuzh.
And it's awesome because you can extend your style whether you're on second, third, fourth day hair. If you have flat hair, it'll just give you that
life, right? I've heard clients that actually book their appointments on a Monday at Dry Bar and use this to extend their dry through the rest of the week.
Nice.
So amazing.
Worth it.
Next up from Amika, we have the Perkupp Dry Shampoo. Now, this is going to be an oil-absorbing spray that's perfect for refreshing and adding a little bit of volume to the hair. It leaves the hair feeling silky, smooth, and it's got an amazing fresh scent.
Yep, leaves it really touchable and soft, which is awesome. It's not crunchy at all.
And the packaging looks so cute for your gym bag.
I know.
I love it.
So cute. And last for hair, we have Way Wave Spray. This is a
cult classic product.
Jen Atkin killed it with this one. It's a weightless hair mist that enhances your natural texture and gives you that beachy wave.
Right. It's perfect for that spring, summer transition. Anytime that you want sort of like that effortless, chic, no worries care.
What's really cool about this one is it has rice protein in it instead of sea salt, so it is safe for treated hair.
Oh, perfect. So it won't leave you dry.
Yep.
Love that.
Yeah. All right, let's talk about some bonuses. Everybody loves a good bonus.
I know I do.
So first up, we have Maison Margiela Replica Music Festival. And then we've got Versace Bright Crystal.
Then from Moschino, we have Moschino Fresh Couture. And then from Yves Saint Laurent, we have Black Opium.
So don't forget to check out your playbook, which has everything you need to know about the products we talked about today, some fun tips and tricks to make the most out of your products.
And each play box is packed with a play pass, so you can redeem that for 50 Beauty Insider points in-store or online with the purchase. Now, we want to see everyone's unboxing videos and hear what you're doing with your products this month, so shout it out in the comment section below and tag us at #SephoraPlay. Until next time, ciao!
Bye!
What?
Mind blown.
Yes, I'm excited. Okay. Am I okay?
Do you like that? My hand is just here.
I was like, did I do something? Am I okay?
Beauty and blue.
I love it.
Yeah.
So, okay. This is Laguna Bronzer. Now this, So it really grabs onto the pigment of the eyeshadow, almost like a double-stated. So next up from mascara, locking on their foundation and giving you an ultra foundation.
Oh.
Prevents your makeup from fading before you do.
Nice. It also protects against blue light, so your computer and phone.
So necessary in today's current society. Weird. I don't know what's funny. Do something funny.
I'm not entertained.
No.